Yeah, hi, I'm Mike, and this is my brother Grant. Brian, our guide. We've just come into the bush for about 4 days, try and get ourselves a trophy Sika. This is our first afternoon, so we're just sort of sitting up on the tops, having a browse around, looking. We've been watching a few small ones, but there hasn't been anything sizable. So Brian seems to think that over the next few days that we'll run into something that's a trophy head. So yeah, here's hoping, eh? Hey, Brian?
Yeah, mate, we'll give it a try anyway.
Yeah, bloody oath.
Yep. We'll see what happens in the next day or so.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Here's hoping. We came out before daylight. It was spotted, what Brian says is a monster. We've made about 500 yards on it. We reckon if we get up over here, it should be within 300. We're going to creep up here and see if we can't make the shot. Set up just there, mate. Just go up a bit more. Oh yeah. Got him. Got him. You see him? I got him. He's a fucking monster, alright, Brian. You reckon second cross here? Second cross here, mate. Bang on. Just take your time. The bullets are only going to drop about bloody 3 inches lower than where the second cross here is. Don't shoot. No, I'd rather him be right there, mate. Take your time. Brian, you're right. She's a monster, mate. She's a bloody monster. And we nailed her, mate. She's a beauty. So bloody nice and even, eh? Great. It's awesome. Awesome. Beautiful. Good stuff, man. Great shot. Great shot. Completely, buddy.
You reckon you could have done the same?
Oh, mate. I reckon I would have if I had to. If the pressure was on, Brian, I would have done it, mate.
Teach you bragging about yesterday, you see.
I thought my one was a good one yesterday, eh?
No, I got bragging rights. Just beat the rain.
We're not back at camp yet, so we haven't been there just yet.
Yeah. I'm all happy, it doesn't matter.
We're going to go after the reds this afternoon, Brian, eh? Have a bit of fun with them.
Yep.
Now we've got our trophy. Go and give something else a go, eh?
Give them a little hurry along. The reds in this area here, they don't grow as good a heads as in some other areas, but they're all good fun, and we'll be into them as a salvo, hopefully. We'll give them a hurry along.
We'll get right amongst them.
Give them a chase up. We're feeling pretty confident now, you see.
Pressure's certainly off, isn't it?
Pressure's off.
That's for sure.
She's all home and hose from here, man. Awesome. Excellent. We're just out for an afternoon hunt, and we can hear a stag roaring over the brow here somewhere. We're out in a bit of tussocky scrub stuff, so we're going to try and sneak in and have a closer look, see what he's like, see if he's worth taking. It's a red deer, so we'll just go in and see what he's like. Can you see him? That one has to go all the way out. Wait, stay out. No, it will, but you just got to know it.
The stag is not big enough, so we decided to see how close we could get for photos and video.
Just come back. Yeah, there you go. Can you see his head? Just pull it up, pull it down.
Unfortunately for this stag, we got real close and Mike just couldn't resist.
Right back. Get ready to shoot him free here. Can you see him? No. Sit up and shoot. You sit up and shoot. Right in the shoulder, mate.
Beautiful. How close was that, guys? Hey, crept right up on him. Good stuff. Thank you, Ryan.
Yeah, mate.
Awesome. There he is. Look how close that was, guys. Beautiful.
We roared him into about 30 yards, eh?
Yeah, mate. Awesome. Only a small head, eh? But, you know, had to sort him out, didn't we?
We did indeed.
Eh?
When they come down challenging you like that, you just got to do it, don't
mate,
you?
Yeah. At first we thought we'd just take a few photos of him, but hey, we got that close, we thought we might as well give him a go.
So what, the excitement got a bit much for you?
Yeah, mate, I got far too excited. Oh, you say what you know, you make plans, what you want to do, but when you get in this close, you got to go.
Change. You got to go with the flow, man.
Beautiful.
You can't let them get that close without giving them a rack up. Three for three, Brian. We're
Day
doing all right.
3, deer 3. Not bad, mate, eh? Not bad at all.
Good little hunt, hey, mate. Had him roaring. A couple of us around, showing a bit of interest. But he was, he just made the wrong move at the wrong time, I think.
Well, it's great, Marks. He's been doing a lot of fighting. Hey?
Thought he was the boss, but he sure as hell ain't.
No,
No,
shit,
shit,
no.
no.
Got a lot of damage around his neck, you know. So he's been to war. And he
Right.
bloody scut the old head in it, but hey, what a great hunt. That was a great stalk.
Bit of
Very
excitement,
very
excitement in the camp.
Beautiful.